Well, court has adjourned for the day in the Othal Wallace trial. He's accused of killing a Daytona Beach police officer. The topic of today, again, was him wanting to kill police officers. At least that's what he said on social media. Fox 35's Marie Ettinger was in the courtroom in Clay County and has details.
The feeling in the courtroom was much different today. Yesterday felt tense and sorrowful. Today felt much more excitable. For instance, the day started with the judge arguing with the defense. Later, the defense tried to claim a mistrial, and that was all just in the first hour of the day. The points that Wallace shot Officer Rayner and that he possessed several guns aren't in dispute. But Wallace's lawyers do disagree about the circumstances that led up to the shooting and how much Wallace can be blamed for the decision to pull the trigger.
What's going on? Sit down. Sit. Sir. Can you sit down? I'll talk to you.
Okay, come on now.
Sit.
Come on now. Don't do this.
Sit down.
Why are you asking me to do all this here?
The defense argues that Wallace felt threatened when Officer Rayner tried to push him back into the car.
Is that what you want to argue to the jury? That because he put his hands on your client, he had a right to shoot him?
Witnesses talked about what they saw on Wallace's social media, a post about wanting to kill law enforcement officers, and this Instagram story the prosecution says Wallace posted right after Officer Rayner was shot.
Stay strong as a nation. Keep fighting. Move forward. Don't let these pigs with you. I love y'all, Black Power.
A hush drew over the courtroom as another witness took the stand in the late morning, Othal Wallace.
Do you know Mr. Wallace sitting over there?
That's my son.
He says Wallace asked for a vehicle and talked about leaving the country, but learning what happened, his father turned off his phone.
I wasn't going to give him a car.
You didn't want to get involved, right?
That's right.
Some people took the stand to talk about surveillance video, provide expert testimony on DNA evidence, discuss that Officer Rayner's duty belt shows he never drew a weapon. Witnesses from Wallace's apprehension in Georgia talked about finding him in a treehouse and bringing him into custody.
What did he say to you?
You already know who I am. You know what I'm capable of. I saved the officers here in Georgia. Things could have been a lot worse.
The defense kept up the argument it began the day before.
There's nowhere that talks about any probable cause that would justify an encounter between Jason Rayner and Othal Wallace. There is no observable criminal activity in the frame.
I can't tell what Officer Rayner observed.
The defense has another full day's worth of witnesses to bring in Wednesday, and the judge is aiming for closing arguments on Thursday. The judge also told Wallace today he'll have to make a decision in the next couple of days whether he wants to take the stand. In Clay County, Marie Ettinger, Fox 35 News.